Good morning, guys. How are we doing this week? I want to welcome us to a new week, a beautiful new week. And it's been amazing. This week is more like leading us to the end, to the middle of the month. And before we know it now, the next couple of days, in the next 2 weeks, thereabout, this month will be rounding off already, and then we'll be preparing for a new year 2021. All right, so I welcome you to this video, and in this video, we're going to be looking at some of the market opportunities that we can find for this week and how we can take advantage, how we can leverage, and how we can build up something from the market this week and see how we can take advantage of the opportunities, even though the year is coming to an end. And we know that whenever the year is coming to an end like this, we should be expecting some reduction in market liquidity. However, let us see how we can still leverage some of the opportunities in the market and see how we can still build up something interesting from the market for ourselves this week. All right, so we're going to be looking at some currency pairs together, and we are going to pick some of the ones that can give us high probability from the market. So let us go straight to let's start with the crude oil, and this is the crude oil right now. Let me remove all of this so we can have something from the scratch. Now this is what the crude oil has been doing for some time now, and we have this uprising from crude oil right there. We have that, and okay, no, we can call this, we can use this number one, and we can use this as well. Both of them give us something similar to each other. So what we know from these two trend line is that this is more like how do I put it now? Let me draw the all right, this level here. All right, so this can be insignificant for now. So now with what we have here, we can see how the market has given us something like this over time. Yeah, that's that was, and then we have these two. Okay, let me make it cleaner so we would see it clearly. Let's use this. We have this from the market. All right, so you can see that we have that from the market. So the market gave us that sometimes earlier this last month to yeah last month, and if we look closely at what we have here, we can see something interesting playing out around here as well. So you can see that from what we can see in the market, this area is very important. This area is quite important. This area is quite important. So we can see the market continue to range until it gets around here, until it gets to that level, until it gets to this level around here. And funny enough, the market can pick up from here and continue to rally in that sense. However, from my own personal opinion, I feel that the market might actually consolidate around here and then pick up from there. Now, if we are to look at this, if we are to look at that, okay, we can remove this. Should we remove this too? We can remove that too. Now, is the market looking like a rising wedge? I can't say categorically that it's looking like a rising wedge because it's anything can still happen around there. Anything can still happen around there. Yeah, anything can still happen around it. What we know is that this area is important and this area is important as well. So I feel right now we should watch out and see what the market's gonna do. And this level here is a key level. So the resistance here resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. So market can still come back and retest it as a support level there. So we can watch out and see what the market does when around that level. So this area also is something we should watch. Let me expand that. So this area here, market has not been able to close above that all through. I think all through last week, market could not close above this. So if we are going to have a rally, then we should expect the market to close above this level. So the moment the market closes above this level this week, then we are expecting a rally. We're expecting a rally. We're expecting a rally higher to higher, expecting a higher movement in the market. So basically, let's see what happens in between this channel. I have a trade running on this crude oil, and my stop loss is around here. My stop loss is a little bit below this level here. So if the market breaks below this level, my stop loss would definitely be it most likely, and I would know that okay, the market has retested this level, and whatever happens there would give me a clue. Either I should wait or I should get a new entry to buy crude oil. But for what I can see so far, I would say that I want to buy crude oil. And if you check it from the daily and the weekly perspective, from the weekly perspective, we have a bullish market on crude oil. We're having a bullish market on crude oil. So I don't think I want to sell crude oil right now. So I'm just going to watch out for a good opportunity to buy crude oil if my stop loss is hit on crude oil. So that is that for crude oil. For gold, basically for gold, this area was broken, this area was broken as well, and then market has created a new level here. If you noticed this right here, nothing closed above that level. If you notice, nothing closed above that level, and that level is quite important for us right now. So if this level is broken and market stays above this level, we can find a good potential to buy gold, and that could give us the opportunity we need to buy gold for this week. So let's see how the market plays out, and let's see how we can take advantage of what the market is doing, and yeah, let's see how that would go and how that would play out for gold. So if market breaks above this, we are going to buy. If it stays below this, then it can give us an opportunity to sell down to this level. So for pound NZD, there was an increase in volatility sometimes last week, around middle of last week, and it was really, really unexpected, especially when it moved in the direction we were not hoping for. It was in the opposite of what we expected that played out in the market. So, which is somehow typical. Yeah, somehow typical. Now, for pound NZD now, I would say I would just like to stay away for now and see how. Okay, hold on. If we are able to identify this, okay, let me just hold on for pound NZD for now, and maybe later in the week we're gonna come back to it and see and examine what we can find on pound NZD. Now this is pound AUD. It's still within this descending triangle that we have here. It is still within the descending triangle that we have here. All right, so all right, so it is still within the descending triangle we have there, and market has been interesting for pound AUD. Maybe I would keep a closer watch on pound AUD this week, and we'll see what we can. We'll see how we can take advantage of pound AUD as well this week. All right, so it's looking like it's giving us a bullish pattern. If you can see what I'm saying, it's giving us something like a bullish pattern. Yeah. So even though the bullish pattern is looking somehow. So let's just watch out and see what's going to happen on pound AUD and see how we can take advantage of that this week. For pound USD, I'll first of all remove all of those lines. All right. So let's start with this. All right. So you can see that there. and it's more like we have this as well. It's more like we have this as well on pound USD. So let's basically see how this will play out for us. We have this as well on pound USD. You have this as well on pound USD. Yeah, yeah, we have this as well on pound USD. All right, so let's watch how to see what pound USD gives us around here. This is also a potential for us to look out for this week. So pound USD, pound AUD, gold, and crude oil. We're looking out for all of them. Liquidity, market is quite slow this morning, like extremely slow this morning, which is normal because it's Monday. It's the opening of the week, and then everybody is trying to figure out what to do for the week, and so the market direction is somehow very very minimal. So let's see how this is going to play out, and we can know how we are going to leverage and take advantage from there. All right, so for pound JPY, all right, we have this, there. We can see that, and then we have these two on pound JPY. So with this formation now, it's given us a simpler perspective of what is possible in the market. So, and it's very similar to pound USD and pound AUD, because the three of them are approaching a support level in the market. So since they are all approaching the support level in the market, then we need to all watch out, and we need to all watch out and see how we can take advantage of the happenings around and the pound currency pair. So for CAD JPY, it is simply at a resistance level. So let's just watch out and see how the market responds to this resistance level, and then we can take it up from there. Okay, I think I saw something on CAD JPY right now that can give us additional information on how the market is likely to perform. All right, we have that, and then we have this as well. So if the market comes back within this channel right here, then we should expect a descent in the market price. So I'm just going to watch out and see what is going to happen on CAD JPY as well. Euro JPY looks like it's giving us a double top formation. You can see that right there. It's looking like it's giving us a double top formation, and nothing has broken above that level yet, and this seems to be our neckline. And so we'll just watch out and see how the market responds to that, and can give us an opportunity for this week, probably for the rest of this month. Yeah, so this is the neckline right there, and then we have these two. All right, so let's see how market turns out for this. If it breaks below here, then we should expect a decline, a further decline, down you get. Now, yeah, we can use this as well. See that. So let's see how that would play out for Euro JPY. For CHF JPY, okay, it's like this, like that. Yeah, almost similar to Euro JPY, almost similar to Euro JPY. Yeah, so let's just be on the lookout for that as well on CHF JPY, and then we'll know what to do from there, and we can take advantage from there as well. I can say something like this on CHF JPY. All right, so this is looking like an ascending triangle, but let's see what happens thereafter. I'm going to stay away from Euro USD for now, so I'm going to skip on that. USDHF, I'm going to skip on that, except the only thing I want to make me skip on that is that the market rallies this week, and that could be as a result of the fact that nothing has closed below this that price level there. You can see nothing has closed below that price level there. nothing has closed below that price level. So if the price level stays above here, the price level stays above there, then it could give us a retracement up to this level right here. That's about 70 pips in profit. So let's see how that would play out on USD CHF. I'm going to skip on USD card for now. I'm going to skip on AUD/USD2, and I'm going to skip on Euro card. Okay, before I skip on Euro card, all right, I'm going to skip on Euro card. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is looking interesting actually, and I'm not sure I want to trade it for now, but let's see if we can see something. All right, that is what I can see on Euro AUD for now. Nothing has closed below that level so far, and if I use this to identify a channel, I can identify something like this on Euro AUD. Now, with this is more like telling us that the market might be buying anytime soon. That's a rising, that's a falling flag. That's a falling flag, which of course indicates a bullish move in the market. So let's see if price can retest this support level and stays above the support level, and then we can go ahead and give it a shot to buy the pair. I'm going to skip on NZUSD for now. Bitcoin is looking interesting actually, and it has been ranging around there ever since price got to 19,000 plus. It has been finding it very difficult to break above the 19,000 level, and from what we can see here, it's given us a setup, something like this. All right, something like that, and another one around here. Now, so basically, price is trapped within this support and resistance level, and we need the market to give us a clear breakout before we know if Bitcoin is going up or it's coming down. So I'm just going to keep a close watch on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is Ethereum as well, and it's giving us something very similar to what Bitcoin is giving us as well. So I'm just going to keep a close eye on both of them and see where the road leads us, and so we'll follow the money from there. Yeah, we'll follow the money from there. All right, so I think that is all about that for this week. And on Wednesday, I'm going to give us an update on how the market has moved, how the market has progressed, and from there we can pick it up and take it up from there, and then we can see how well the market is doing, how well we can set goal and crush our goals for this week. All right, next week Friday and Saturday, I'll be hosting an Instagram live conversation with two top traders, a crypto trader and a forex trader, and we're going to be talking about how you can win your ways through the financial market in the year 2021, and it's going to be an Instagram live conversation. So it would be awesome if you can join us. The flyers will be out soon, and I would like to see you attend that live conversation on Instagram. All right, have a lovely week, have a blessed week, and I hope to see you on my next video.